Hey guys, welcome back to Jameson Show Gaming. This is my first video in this channel. Check out Jameson Show. It's Jameson Show 1.5. Jameson Show 1.5 joined 1 month ago. Hold on. I know what this is. Yeah. Clink. Yes.
I gotta say, being a Piston Cup race car is pretty great. I've gotten to see the whole world. But on my last trip, I started thinking, wouldn't it be cool if the world got to see how great Radiator Springs is? And that gave me an idea.
Dadgum, you won again. What's that, like the 1/trazillionth time?
Get ready, because lightning is about to strike. Press the pedal to accelerate.
I know what to do.
No problem. I can do this with my eyes closed.
That's Lightning McQueen and Tomato.
Tap the pedal when you're over the blue circle for a boost.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Owen Wilson plays Light McQueen. And Larry the Cable Guy plays Vader.
I love it.
I understand. I understand.
That was fun, Mater. Thanks. Sorry I beat you again.
Oh, that's okay, buddy. If I gotta lose, I'm glad it's against you. You wanna go again?
Sure, but aren't you getting a little tired of racing on the same old track?
No, but if you are, we can add some new tricks to it. Come on. Check out this here crazy loop.
Yes, I see.
Nice, but check out this loop.
Awesome.
Oh, and I got one last surprise.
All right, let's do this.
I got this. Ciao. That's what Lightning McQueen says, guys. Yeah.
Man, I am good.
I am the new track. Yay! I know Toddler. I played this game when I played back in 2015 or 2016, not sure. Back then I knew it. I knew this game years ago. Yes! Yes!
Hey, Todd. Glad you're here. You're just in time to help me out. Wow. Here's a starter track. Give it a spin. Fillmore wants to join in. You up for a race?
Man, am I excited to be here!
Todd Marcus and Fillmore. Fillmore likes peace, like he's this peace dude.
What does Lightning say? Okay, focus.
Todd Marcus was in Cars in Cars 3, I think. I know he was in Cars 1. I mean, the original Cars movie.
Let's go! Let's do this.
Mater's up next. Think you can take him?
It says that, and I tried to fix this problem, it didn't work. I'm tired of it. I am gonna go leave.